Hi everybody, we are again here with Geo Wolf series. So this time I'm not gonna analyze anything. We are gonna straight up go into the things. Means we will uncover all secrets and theories. First of all, which countries can come in Geo Wolf series? Let us talk about that. So first one, see there, here is the Ottoman Empire, now Turkey, and Ottoman Empire has the control of all Africa, I mean half of Africa at least, the yeah the Anatolian Peninsula, I hope it is called the Anatolian, just uh, oh my, so that area is under the Ottoman Empire for now. In Ottoman Empire, I don't believe Ottoman Empire can hold so much area, because probably he is now fighting in a force. He can't be, means he can't hold so much territory cause many powers. We have seen that they have conquered the territories, and means they had to collapse because they couldn't handle the territories. So I'm thinking that the most possible thing is that either Ottoman Empire will collapse, or else we will see the collapse of US and Soviet Union, because we are not sure that King Dynasty can collapse, as King Dynasty has means nothing, we can't say anything. So the most things is that this country will collapse, and outcome will be the new countries will be, of course, the Republic of Egypt. Egypt will of course be joined. Means Egypt was conquered by them only, right? So yeah, Egypt will probably be there. Plus the countries that might arise will or can be, first is Egypt, I said already. Second is Algeria, cause there's no way Algeria can't come out. And thirdly, we can say South Africa. As South Africa, Egypt and Algeria are the most, means what? We can say they are the most democrats in the whole African continent. So let's see. First of all, we have seen this, and next time if US falls, then the most probable thing will be the territories US has taken, like the territories of Brazil, the territory of Soviet Union, cause the Soviet territories were also taken by US, and they will join the Soviet Union. The territories taken by the Soviets, and Brazil will be independent. So that's how we can see this whole thing will go. Thank you for that. Means I will cover only one doubt in one video, as I don't have much time, guys. I need to go somewhere. So bye.